Hello everyone, hope everyone is doing great. So today I came back almost after a week's time. Today I'll be talking about some handicrafts from Karnataka. Karnataka is the state I belong to, so I have a special attachment to this state. So today I will be talking about the wood inlay work from Karnataka. Now this wood inlay work is basically the art form from Mysore. The kings of Mysore, the Wadiyars, actually patronized this art form. This was initially done in the rosewoods with ivory inlays. So now the different form of woods are also taken into consideration. They use mango, jackfruit, dudhi, all different types of trees are used for this type of art form. Initially it was basically done with the ivory inlays. So on the rosewood the ivory inlays are used and they form the great inlay art form, and this you can see in the palace of Mysore, where the Mysore kings were the patrons for it, and the entire Mysore palace you can see this form of art. So where you can see ivory inlay. But as you know, gradually ivory became very scarce and ivory is costly, so it's not affordable. So gradually this ivory was getting replaced with plastic form for the white colors, and other designs are done with wood. Now this wood is also, the different colored of woods are used to make the designs. So it's so amazing to note that from our childhood days we generally color the tree trunks as brown, but if you really look into it, the nature, the beauty of nature is that all the trees are not having brown trunk, or all the woods are not having the same color. If you cut different trees, you will get different color of wood in every different trees. So if this beauty of nature is reflected in this wood inlay work. So what they do is they collect the different wood from the different trees and match it to form the different designs, the painting forms in the wood inlay work. This is a traditional work art form of the state of Karnataka. So they have the generations of after generations they are doing this form of art. This is basically, if you see in and around Srirangapatnam, you can see this form of art. So here I will today show you an art form which I collected from Mysore, and this is pretty amazing. But the problem with this art form is that the younger generations, they don't get so much revenue. It's difficult to earn from this art form because it becomes very expensive, it's time consuming, it's too much labor, man labor is required too much. They have to be very much efficient to form this kind of art form. You will really appreciate the art form that I have. I will today show you that art form, and we will explain in more details. This is the image of the doors in the Mysore palace. So as you can see, this is ivory inlay in the rosewood. See how they have taken the ivory we get from the elephant trunks, as you know. So this is how they have the intricate works in the doors of the Mysore palace. These are the few images that I had of the doors of the Mysore palace, which I tried to show how the inlay work used to be on the doors of the Mysore palace. Such an intricate work, such a beautiful work on the doors of Mysore palace. So this is how. So this is the art form of Karnataka, as I was telling you. This is the collection of wood inlay work that I have. As you can see, this is done on an wooden frame. So this is completely wood, there is no glass, nothing on it. So it's very much eco-friendly and dust free. You just wipe it with a piece of cloth and it's clean. So basically, if you can see, this is completely done with wood and on wood. So all this, though it looks like a painting from far off, this is not a painting. So this is an intricate design. If you can see from the leaves of the tree, the shadow, the cow, the man, everything, it's the layers of wood, various colors of wood. As I already mentioned, that if you cut different trees, you get different colors of wood from it. So each and every color of this one is done with the different colors of wood. If I go closer, you can understand the grains. Look at the grains. So wooden, if you cut the wood, you can see these are the grains. You can see the joining of the wood. See, different type of woods are joined. So these are the leaves. If you can see, this is very much, this is not a 3D effect, so this is very much smooth on the surface, but you can see these are all cut and inserted. These are, so that's the reason this is known as inlay. If you can see, these are all the wood. See, look at it. So how intricate and amazing quality, amazing skill of these people. So they are these artisans are very much scared to pass this on to the younger ones, because the younger ones are not interested, as this does not give much earning for them, but this is an amazing skill which the government should take initiative to preserve this art form. And actually, if these art forms include white color, they are basically done by the plastic. As I was mentioning in initially, that the ivory that they used to use is now replaced by plastic. So if you see in the painting that I have doesn't have any white color in it. So these are of the different shades. It doesn't have a white color because I tried to avoid taking the plastic inlays. So this is completely a wood inlay, all the different colors of wood, intricately cut, intricately designed. So these are the first they make the design on the wooden frame, and then they cut the different colors of wood and they paste it intricately, and finally they polish it. So as I initially mentioned in my other video, I try to talk to the artisans who generally make it. They are doing it for generations after generation. Their younger ones are now all engineers and doctors, but they don't want to come to their family tradition. So this is what government needs the initiative, need to take the initiative to preserve this amazing art form. This is amazing. This is how it looks on my wall. I want to show you how it looks on the wall. So this is 18" by 36", and this is how it looks on my wall. I feel great to have this as my collection. Hope everyone liked today's presentation, today's video. If you like the video, please press the like button. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you.